fake snow.
Depending on your perspective. I had a couple of kids that were awfully excited for the real stuff just a few days ago,
It actually is fun. Like, if you don't have to drive
You're not out in it reporting for 6 hours. Yeah.
It doesn't cause power outages, accidents, all of that. You know, we have got cold air coming back. You know, it's pretty mild out there this afternoon with temperatures in the 50s now. Winds have turned. You've got clear skies and the temps are dropping. And we are talking about a couple more cold days. Then we're going to warm up on the 7-day forecast. Temperatures are going to be close to 20 at night and highs in the 40s. Wind chill values, though, down in the teens, even some single digits in the mountains. So we're forecasting 19 for the Triad tonight, 20 for Saturday. And then notice that the morning temperatures are going to come up. Also, check this out. It's real cold tomorrow at 39, but we are in the upper 50s by Sunday and Monday of next week, which puts us closer to normal. We actually got up to 54 degrees today after a morning low of 39. So today was close to average. It's the only day this week we've had that. Now we've got the cold air coming in and wind chill values are dropping. It feels like 13 in Sparta, 29 in Reidsville, 26 in Winston-Salem. And you see the temperatures right now, they are just below freezing in our foothills, in the teens and 20s in the mountains. And right now upper 30s and low 40s across the Triad. We've got that wind still pretty strong across our Triad communities out of the northwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Now thankfully the winds are coming down over our westernmost communities where we had a 76-mile-per-hour wind gust in Ashe County over the last 24 hours. We had some wind gusts at 30 to 35 across the Triad, and that is because of that front that is now to our south and east. We've got nothing but clear skies in the forecast, so lots of sunshine over the next couple of days. It's just going to be cold, especially in the morning. We've got those teens tomorrow morning, and then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, a high of 39. Northwest wind is cold. In fact, those forecast wind chill values may be in the single digits at 8 a.m. tomorrow in the mountains, teens across the Triad, and then by afternoon still feels like it's freezing, if not below, in most communities. High temperature in the foothills is up to 38, also with that northwest wind. Lots of sun in the forecast for the mountains. Staying below freezing with a high of only 30. We've got breezes out there, dry conditions, so very high fire danger threat for our foothill communities and high threat for the mountains and Piedmont Triad. It has been really dry in December so far. We're almost a half of an inch below normal. And of course, you add to that we're running below normal for October and November. So we're starting to see that we are just barely above normal compared to where we have been for the year. And we're seeing that in evidence with our drought monitor that was released today. We've shifted from abnormally dry into that second stage of drought, which is moderate across our area. So we definitely could use some rain. We've got some wet weather coming back into the picture, but not until Monday. Of course, we like to have the dry days for things like the Penny Campaign for Samaritan Ministries, which is Saturday morning. The collection day is at Truist Stadium in Winston-Salem, so I hope you'll be out there and bring your pennies, bring your dollar bills, bring whatever you've got. We'd love for that. You've got Christmas parades as well. Some on Friday that are going to be cold in Whitworth, Mebane, and Asheboro. Got some on Saturday as well. Greensboro at noon, Winston-Salem in the evening. Just make sure that you are layered up because it is definitely going to feel like the holiday season. Notice how much warmer it is on our 7-day, even some 60s by Tuesday.
That'll be nice when we get there. Lainey, thank you. One final check on traffic. This is 52 right at MLK Drive in Winston-Salem. Pitch black outside. Thankfully, no crashes, no delays to report tonight.
You're watching WXII 12.